Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Monday. I said Monday. It's actually Tuesday. Watch me change that real quick. Okay. So it is Earth Week on the April 22nd. Had to look at that. On April 22nd this week, it is going to be the 51st anniversary of the starting of Earth Day. And what Earth Day is, as you probably know, is a campaign to try and make you think about better practices of recycling, using trash, reusing things, to kind of help make our Earth healthier, make our cities cleaner, and make the air we breathe a little better for us, right? So, what we're going to do this week, we are going to be writing a letter to our principal, Miss Shomoshi. I provided the name for you. And we're going to work on this letter all week, okay? So, also, I'm going to show you how to format the letter. I'm going to show you what we're going to talk about. And then we're going to add to it as the week goes on. We also have a kind of a fun little project uh, later on this week. It's not hard. It's just kind of fun. Okay, trust me. I promise. Okay. So I do want to say, from what I could see of the diorama project, y'all were awesome. High five yourselves. Y'all rock. Okay. So and that goes to my in person and distance kids. Y'all rock. Okay, guys. You rock. And get it? It's Earth Week. Earth's made of rock. It's funny. Okay, maybe I'm just weird. So what? Sorry, guys. What we're gonna do is first things first. On a piece of paper or a Google Doc, and this is for you to do. I want you to think of three ideas. Okay, think long, think hard, and you're gonna write down three ideas you think we could do to maybe improve our school or your neighborhood. Right? So let me give you an example. So I live in an apartment complex. Okay, and I noticed that there's a lot of people with dogs, right? And they like to poop a lot. Um, and it kind of makes it smelly around certain parts of the apartment complex when people don't pick up their poo. So I thought about proposing to have like a community day of let's clean up the apartment complex. Go around, pick up poop, pick up trash, maybe help people clean uh, some stuff that's outside. If a bunch of dirt's on stuff, or if they just need help getting trash out. Just a community day to help make our environment a little better, right? And that dog poop can actually be, believe it or not, you can put it in flower beds, right? And as long as you kind of like mash it up, it can help things grow. Believe it or not, poop can help things grow, but you have to know how to use it rather than just letting your dog poop everywhere. Okay, pick up your poop, please. So that's a proposal letter I'm thinking about writing. Now, you can think of different things. If there's a lot of trash in your neighborhood, if a lot of people like take one car for one person to work or school, you could suggest, hey, maybe we can carpool and cut down on how many people drive the cars, right? I'm sure one of you is going to come up with an idea of how we can have more days off of school to help keep so many people from driving around, reduce carbon monoxide, right? I didn't give you that idea. Shh. So you're coming up with three ideas, right? Once you're done coming up with those ideas, if you wrote it on a paper, take a picture of it and attach it so I can see your ideas. If you wrote on a Google Doc, attach it so I can see it. Okay. So you're coming up with three different ideas you think might help. Then, what you're going to do, I have provided myself and Miss Leach have provided, hold on, here we go, have provided a PDF. So we're borrowing this project from another school district. They came up with a really great idea last year, and we're like, ooh, this is pretty cool. So you can read through here. Now, of course, we're not Almeda. We're High Point, right? So anytime you see another school, think High Point. Okay. So overview. High Point is a special place, right? And I think we try, this place worked hard, but as I said, this is an Earth Day project. We're trying to better High Point and our city around us, right? So you can read through this and get the general idea of kind of why we're writing the letter. Um, because remember, as we think about our environment, climate change, and the kind of high point we want to see in the future, let's take a minute to highlight for our leader, Ms. Joamoshi, what we already have to appreciate today and where we live. Okay, so what we're going to do, there is a sample letter here. You're going to have to change a few things, right? But once you change those few things, you can move on. So notice we have Dear Mary, you're going to do Dear Miss Shomoshi. I am grateful for what? What are you grateful for in High Point on this 51st Earth Day, right? Remember, it's the 51st Earth Day. I feel this way because, why do you feel this way? What are you grateful for at High Point, and why do you feel this way? One way to think we can keep improving our climate in High Point is to what? And it gives you some examples, right? So pick one or dream up your own. Oh, hey, you came up with three. If you don't want to use any of these, you can use one of the three you came up with. And then you may then also do a drawing if you would like. But here's how you do the letter, right? Notice it has an introduction, and then we have what we're grateful for. And then we go in. We go, okay, one way I think I can improve or we can keep improving our climate in High Point is to, and then you're going to pick one of these reasons and start talking about it, right? And then you can attach a drawing. And then you always sign off a letter. Sincerely, your name, who's your teacher, and then your school, right? Okay. So this is what we're doing today. We're just getting the bare bones of our letter going, okay? Think of this as kind of like you're starting to outline what you're going to talk about, okay? All right, guys, if you need any help, let me know. My Zoom times are the same every day. I will be available 9 to 11. Have a great day and high five.